The TEF extension identifies a TablEdit Tablature file containing guitar and stringed instrument tablature data from the TablEdit notation software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these tablature files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult TEF files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. TEF files are tablature files for TablEdit, a music notation application, specializing in guitar, bass, banjo, and other stringed instrument tablature. They contain tab notation, standard notation lyrics, chord diagrams, and MIDI playback data for fretted instrument music. TableEdit TEF files use a proprietary format, storing tablature data with fret numbers on string lines, standard notation equivalents, chord grids, lyric text, picking patterns, and MIDI instrument assignments for playback of stringed instrument arrangements. There's a proprietary link between the TEF format and TableEdit by TableEdit. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows can play these files, but modifying structure or quality requires editing software. We are checking system compatibility. Right-click your TEF file and hit Open With. If TableEdit is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, any other listed program will work for the test. When your TEF file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening the file. Install TableEdit from tabledit.com and open the TEF file via File, then Open. TableEdit displays the tablature with standard notation, fret diagrams, and lyrics. Playback the arrangement using TableEdit's built-in MIDI synthesizer. Next, exporting formats. Use TableEdit's export features to save as MIDI for audio playback, Music XML for notation software, Interchange PDF for printing, or ASCII tablature for text-based sharing. Export to Guitar Pro format for compatibility with that popular tablature application. Finally, viewing without TableEdit. Download TableEdit's free TEF viewer for reading TEF files without a full license. TEF provides tablature display and MIDI playback. Alternatively, convert to Guitar Pro or PDF format for viewing in other music applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.